How to set up Google Family Link. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Play Store and then search for Google Family Link. After that, install the application. After that, launch your application. Now, simply sign in using your Google account. Now, it will ask you a question: does your child have a Google account? Simply tap on yes. After that, get your child's device, open settings, and then go to Google, then go to parental control. Then follow the steps to set up parental control. After that, tap on done. Now, what you will have to do is add your child's device in your family link from the other phone, from your child's phone. Use your account for supervision or parents, and you will be done. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.